In this example, let's learn about the macros in C. Okay, the macros are a feature provided by the preprocessor to define constants or function that are replaced by their values or code during the preprocessing phase. Okay, the macros are defined using hash define directive. Okay, here are some of the common types of macros. One is object like macros. Okay, function like macros, conditional compilation macros, and stringification and token pasting macros. Okay, uh, in this example, let's learn about object like macros. Okay, in this example, like I am using this hash define to create a object like macro. Okay, um, in this macro, limit x will be replaced by this by the number 22. Okay, whenever you call the limit x in your uh, main function, it will replace the number 22. Okay, inside the main function, I'm just printing the limit x value. Okay, using this printf function. Okay, the value of the limit x is %t slash n limit x, yeah, limit x, the number that is 22 will be printed as output. Okay, let's run the code. Okay, see, the value of limit x is 22. Okay, now we can change the number and check. Here I'm like writing as 66. Yeah, the output is 66. Okay, like this we can also perform the arithmetic operation on this macro. Okay, I will show one simple addition example using this macro. Okay, here like I am adding limit x plus limit x. Okay, okay, I'm simply adding this limit x plus limit x. The result will be 66 plus 66. Okay, yeah, in the first statement, it will just print the limit x value, that is 66. In the second line, the addition of the macro plus macro is 132. Okay, it is simply adding limit x 2 times. That's it. Okay, thank you.